of late, I think 1 month down the line, Governor Nerwe got at this time round up to said, I will go stadium. This to sign Nyamira, Nature Kisii is over 1 million, Nature diaspora, we are 2 million. We are legible 9 to call you or I will say. Now the motion and all right, you got one of the motion the year one and check out Tabanga, Nabaxi to 700,000, Kisii and Nyamira, Najin Chikunya, Toire, we got to every one. It's of course it's like that. That can we go to an stand. That we can't joke because a party leader, I want to he should have a stand. He is the deputy party leader. He has all the capacities, he has all the strength to speak. And he has all the lines got to have no Raila. Raila, we have supported you for long. Snitch round, you say, son. And this time round, now you talk about. That's beautiful. That's what Omano Yokwaro to a stadium or Gwemble as you Kwana. It is a Carolina consultation in the air. Remember, you sign a pact between him and Ruto. Agakan Raila Gatavanga, I know, see Moraisana. Chikura Chumusin Chico Iramonto, Ave president. Ekaramuya, the president. Chikura and Java is Java Tugan. More years from my clan, Yani tribe Kurkunga Tugan, under the Kalenjin communities. All along the force does not matter. The person himself. Does people have passion on him? Anything to help this country to move to the next level. That is it. And our family, we are saying this time around, we must come together. Where the Kurandos, no DM, we are making sure if Raila does not support us, that's needless for us. People want to come and say ODM what for? We as Abagusi, we must, no matter what happened in 2002 when Yacha stood for presidency, Abagusi could pay in the totality as for the people. And I'm saying that I never managed to win elections. But he got to Amas Kanyama Nene. And that's what we are not. I'm not saying I want to as a formality and I do to no, we are determining and as it is. If all leaders who are in our elected this time round were in office, plus the other leaders who are there like me, we want to join hands to move as a community. Then we join other communities who are ready to support us. No, they are ready to support us. Yes. It's only that Mugavana does not do groundwork survey. No, never get very determined whether they go to support this time round. Whether Raila said supports Ruto or not, there is some who are look this way. They don't get it. Abaruya, as much as Raila Cheto Bagasaini backed Yoko work na Ruto. When they were signing in KICC. Did you see any leader Abaruya? Mudabati was not there. Wetangoro was not there. Those are the big leaders. But the current Jim government, the Kenya Kwanza, the Ruyan community, they were not there. Yesterday you you can listen the speech which Mudabati said. It's possible he can walk out of the government, our opposition. Then at the end of the day, if we compose ourselves, totiga mangana anda side shows totiga mangana anda yokonya ko ruana ose ebirobe bindi byo gamana birobitiga toturwane byo bunge te toturwane byo MC to women lab no basena te toturwane lakini kiroko president we must make sure that we are together. All the two governors, the two senators, the other nominated senators, the rest the MPs varios en kumenatatu Kisii and Nyamira, we must work together. We move to the next level. And we are determined at this time around, we must support Fred Matiang'i for president. We must.